We only get so many trips around the sun. A new day dawns, here we go, and what it holds only God knows. So I guess I better make the most of what I got. 'Cause life is out there waiting, ready and I it's an open door I'm gonna walk through. I know for sure I'm gonna do is love with all that's in me. Gonna give, holding nothing back. I'm gonna pray, 'cause I know that God is listening, and that's a fact. I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. I'm gonna run hard till the road runs out. Hey, all we have is here and now, so I'm gonna make it count. Yeah, I'm gonna slow down, soak it up and take it in, and be quick to show forgiveness like Jesus did. Whoa, life is short, yeah, that's true. I know for sure I'm gonna do is love with all that's in me. Gonna give, holding nothing back. I'm gonna pray, 'cause I know that God is listening, and that's a fact. And I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Gonna run on till the road runs out. Yeah, what we have is here and now, so I'm gonna make it count. Every moment, every minute, every step of every mile. Yeah, we're only here for a little while, so I'm gonna love. One more time, if y'all enjoy my brother Jacob on guitar for you. Dad over here too. Yeah, only God is listening, and that's a fact. Even Joe Lee on the shit here, yeah. And I'm gonna live like there's no tomorrow. Gonna run on till the road runs out. All we have is here and now, so I'm gonna make it count. Yeah, all we have is here and now. Live, yeah, make it count.